Ishita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing safe and great. So today I'm going to create this black smoky eye look. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really want to know how I have created this look, then keep on watching. So the first thing which I'm going to use here is from In Color Absolute Primer. It has that SPF 15. It will give you a flawless base where you can apply foundation. After that, I'm using this concealer. This is from Fit Me Maybelline with the shade number 45. I'm going to apply this concealer over the acne mark and also over the pigmented area. Basically what you will do in this step is you will correct your skin tone so that your skin tone look even. So I'm going to use a brush to blend it out perfectly, and after that I'm using this elf brow pencil to fill up my sparse area, and also I'm going to use elf brow gel, give it more intense look. So the next thing which I'm going to use here is concealer. This is from LA Pro concealer. I am going to highlight my eyelid area so that if I apply any kind of color over my eyelid, it will pop up clearly. If you don't have any pigmentation over the eyelid, you can totally skip this step. This is totally optional. So for my eye look, I'm using this e.l.f. 18 shade eye palette, and I'm using this Super Me shade to create the crease, and using this shade will give more depth to your eyes. While creating your eye look, please go gradually, otherwise it looks messy. For creating smoky look, as I'm using this Lakme Iconic Kajal, because I'm creating black smoky look, that's why I'm using this one. So what you need to do is just apply over your eyeliner area and just smudge it with the help of brush. Now I'm taking black shade from the same palette and I'm placing it over the smudged kajal so that it looks more dramatic and intense. Now I'm using the same kajal and creating wing eyeliner. Next I'm using this Fit Me foundation with the shade number 334 for my base makeup. It will give you matte finish. This shade is quite similar with my skin tone, and only the minus point is it does oxidize with my skin. Next I'm using this kohl kajal from Lakme to tightline my lower waterline. And I'm using brush to smudge it out little bit. Next I'm using this bronzer from Maybelline with the shade 300 and I'm going to create little structure to my face. Next I'm using this blush from Annabella and the shade is chestnut and I am going to apply over my cheeks. Today I'm going to use this jelly highlighter which is from Hard Candy. This is really a very good product. Only the drawback is it has a sparkle granule in it which makes it little less favorite for me. For my lips, I'm using here Super Stay Matte Ink from Maybelline with the shade Dancer. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you will enjoy this one, and if you really, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon which is next to the subscription button, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.